Hello everyone, good afternoon. Yes, Ishwar. So everyone, I hope you have kept all materials ready. Today is watercolor painting. Yes, Ankita, watercolor sheet you're using? Okay. Just make sure that your pencil lines are not too dark, okay? Because the watercolor paper's texture is little bit uneven. So use your pencil lightly. Anyone else who is using watercolor? Watercolor paper? Okay. You can use, okay? Just use your pencil lightly. Show me the circle that you have taken, everyone. Circle or a rounder. Yes. Everyone, the diameter of my circle is almost 14 centimeter. Okay, Ishwar, that will be perfect. It's depend upon you how much big the sun you want. Okay. So no problem if it is big or small. We just want it that it should fit over here. Yes, that will work, everyone. Okay, Sara, Ankita, who is using acrylics? Spruha acrylics for this. You can later on try with that, okay? But do with watercolor also, okay? Come on, everyone, we will start. Ashmit, ready? Okay, A3 size, no problem. Draw it big, okay? My book is, see, this page is A4 size. My book is slightly big, okay? You can follow same measurement if your book size is A4, okay? We will start with the plane first, everyone. Yes, Spruha, in your rounder, you have to take 7 centimeter, okay? Ankita, slightly the plain one you can take, which is plain, which has less texture, okay? Okay, let's start everyone with the plane. We will start with its outline, okay? Keep a scale also with you. Hold your book vertical, okay? Come on, let's start. So everyone, I'm first marking the center of my page, okay? Holding it vertical. Center of my page. Mark it, everyone. Yes, A4 size, use same measurements, okay? Come on, start. Mark the center. Now, everyone, from center, we have to go 4 centimeters up from center, 4 centimeters up, and you have to mark a reference dot. For the center, everyone, you have to take the exact center of your page, okay? And from there, go 4 centimeters up, okay? 0 to 4, 4 centimeters up. Come on, do this step. A3 size, you can take 5 centimeters. Okay, just let me know once done. Okay, we have marked the center, then 4 centimeters up. Okay. Now everyone, from here, we have to start with the plane. Okay. Can we start, everyone? Take your scale. See, from this dot, we have to make 2 slanting lines going up. Okay, Ishwar, do it. I will just erase this line and the center dot. If you have marked it, make it clear. Okay. Now see, from center dot, we have to go 7 centimeter up in a slanting manner like this. The line is slight slanting 7 centimeters on both sides. Okay, come on, do the both sides similar, everyone. Same measurements. You can take same 7 centimeters. Yes, Akshara, you can use poster colors. Ishwar, see, you can take your scale like this. Check how much centimeter it is and take its half. Mine is 24. You can take 12 centimeter center. Okay. Just let me know once done. Or show me. Yes. Tanvi, the lines are slightly more slanting. Okay. Move it little bit down. Okay. The angle of the line. Shift it down. Everyone see the lines. They are not too up. Okay. We want a slight slanting line like this. Okay. Angle. Check the angle. It's not too up. If this is a straight line, our line is like this. Okay. Yes, Akshara. See what we have done first, everyone. Center, 4 centimeters up, mark a dot. And from here, we have added slanting line, 7 centimeter on both sides, like this. Okay. Yes, show me. Okay, Anaya, Ankita. Come on, Sarah, Divyant, Medini. 0 to 7, 0 to 7. Okay, Ashmit, that is perfect. Both the lines are same. Check. Got it, everyone? Diksha, Sarah, Akanksha ma'am, Ishwar, Tanvi. Okay, Tanvi, Vaishnavi, perfect. Good. Now, everyone, after this, take your scale again. Now we have to go down. From center, you have to go 1.5 centimeter down, okay? Or even 2 centimeters you can take if your book is A3. Okay, for A4, 1.5 centimeter down. Okay, Diksha, Divyant, 1.5, okay? 0 to 1.5, mark a dot and make same type of slanting line like this. Make use of scale, everyone, okay? Come on, do it. Make sure the end is pointed. Come on, Spruha. 1.5 centimeter down. Come on, Sarah. Medini. Okay, Akshara, good. Okay, that's good. All right. I will just quickly repeat it here. 1.5 centimeter down, and we have connected it here like this. Okay, any doubt, anyone till here? Everything is clear? Okay, Tanvi tried to make part pointed. Medini correct, Ankita correct. Youth same measurements. Nice, Vaishnavi. All right. Correct, Divyan. Divyan, you can erase this line, okay? Okay. Let's start adding details now. Okay. Now see here, take this dot, slightly go on left, then on right, equal measurements. Okay. And connect it with a semicircular curve in this way. How much centimeter up? Again, 1.5 you can take. Okay, just for reference, 1.5 or 2. Add it. Check that it's in the center. Yes. Now on top center, make upside down V shape like this. Exact center. Come on, Ashmit, Diksha, Anaya. Okay. Same we have to make on left side and right side also. Slightly slanting. Okay. Same here. You can make use of scale. Yes. Length 3 centimeters. You can take for all three. Okay. Same measurement 3 centimeter. Very small gap in between. It's not half centimeter also, even less than that. Make sure ends are pointed. I'm waiting here. Complete and show. Yes, Anaya, that is perfect. Come on, Vedant. Yes, all right, Divyant. Divyant, you can erase that center line. Okay, all right, Tanvi. Come on, plane is almost done. Now, take this line. Everyone, take this dot. Make 2 triangles here, 1 and 2. Observe it properly, everyone, and do. I have kept the reference drawing on one side. You can do with me. Okay. Now the tire part. See, standing line. Okay. Very small gap. Small straight line. And then you have to make 2 U shapes. 1 and 2. Okay. Now it is clear, everyone. Come on, let's do it. Small standing line. Straight line and U shape. 1 and 2. Yes, Divyant, correct. Continue. Come on, do with me, everyone, now. Same step you have to follow. Slightly go up. Standing line. Standing line. Which part, Ashmit? Show in your drawing. Okay. These 2 parts. Okay. See, this part you have added. Take the center of this and here you have to add. Okay. Okay, Atharv, no problem. Okay. Take the center of this part and then add. Just like this only. Come on, everyone. Let's continue. Same step. Straight line. Straight line. U shapes. Yes, Tanvi, correct. All right, Spruha. After this, there is a small curve, again small curve. Both sides are same, okay? Do it together. After that, big semicircle, small semicircle, again big semicircle. Follow same here, big semicircle, smaller one, then big. Come on, do it everyone. Yes. Akanksha ma'am, perfect. Just see these lines slightly crooked. Make sure that you use scale while tracing with permanent marker. Okay, Tanvi. Yes, Divyan, that is perfect. Our plane is done here, everyone. Complete and show me. Come on, Ashmit, Athar. Yes, very good, Vaishnavi, Sara, Anaya. Yes, just see both sides look same. Okay. Come on, Diksha. Done, Ankita, Tanvi, Spruha. Okay, Diksha. Nice. Correct, Akshara. All right. Now, everyone, you have to take your circle or a rounder. Yes, Medini, 1 minute. Okay. Okay, Medini. Medini, see, this curve is a little bit big as compared to this. Just make it small. This one. Take your circle, everyone. And if you are using rounder, you have to take 7 centimeters, okay? 7 centimeter radius. And then you have to make circle, okay? So everyone, you have to place it like this on the plane. No problem if it is getting slight overlap. Okay. Okay, that is perfect. My plane fits exactly in that circle. You can make it slightly big, okay? And once done, just add a line like this, slightly overlapping the circle. That's it, everyone. Erase the line. Okay, Ankita, correct? Come on, show me your drawing. Correct, Sarah. Take 8 centimeter, Ankita. Anaya, perfect. Correct, Akanksha ma'am, perfect. Yes, very nice, Divyan. Just show me your drawing and you can start tracing. Okay, use pointed tip permanent marker. Or even if you have a black ball pen or a waterproof pen, you can take that. Yes, very good, Diksha. Everyone, I'm using CD marker. Okay, Medini, good. Yes, Anaya, use. All right, come on. So let's place newspaper under a sheet because it's permanent marker. Yes, Ashmit, show. Yes, Ashmit, see these two circles. Your left side one is correct, but this one is little bit big. Okay, make it similar. Your right side one is good. Come on, let's start, everyone. Prefer using scale for lines, okay? Yes, Sarah, Ankita, very good. Yes, Akshara. Take your time. Don't use broad tip marker, okay? If you don't have marker, leave it like that only, okay? Skip tracing, but don't use broad tip. Come on, Vedant. Come on, Tanvi. Come on, Vaishnavi. Come on, Spruha, doing it. No, Akanksha ma'am. Black sketch pen will get mixed with watercolor, so it can't be used. If you have black ball pen, you can take that. Yes, very good, Ashmit. Now it is perfect. Come on. Come on, Ishwar. Yes, correct, Anaya. You can trace the circle and line. Correct, Diksha, Sarah. Okay, Athar, no problem. If you have black color in your acrylics, you can take that, or watercolor, or tempera color, any paint you have in black, you can take. Okay, continue, everyone. I'm waiting. Medini, 8 number will be better, 8 or 6. Even 10, if you have, you can take for filling larger areas. Yes, Sarah, good. Yes, perfect, Diksha. No, don't take 12. You can take 7, Athar, Tanvi, Ankita, Vaishnavi. Perfect. Come on, Spruha. Everyone, complete the tracing and let me know. 8 number. Yes, Akanksha ma'am. That will work. Make thin border only because we are going to paint it black afterwards. Okay, so no problem. Okay, Anaya. Correct, Akshara. Perfect. Okay. So everyone, if you are done, you can just take your watercolor palette and add water in your yellow, orange, and red. Okay, because it will get activated by that time. We start. If you have flat brush, you can use that as well. It will help you to fill larger areas. Lemon yellow. Come on, get ready. Adding water in red, orange, and yellow. Our watercolor cakes are dry, so we need to activate the color by adding water in it. Okay. Everyone, if you have chrome yellow color also in your set, you can take that. I am using number 8 brush. Come on, get ready. So everyone, first we will start with the outer part, okay, outer part of the sun. Here we have to use yellow, orange, red, okay, and in the corners we will add some dark red. By if you have dark red ready-made, you can take that. Otherwise, we will add slight black in that, okay. So everyone, here also we have to do blending, okay. So we need to work continuously, okay. So don't allow your color to get dried, okay. Use good amount of color. You can do with me lemon yellow color, okay. Yes. And no problem if your color goes inside sun. Okay. Yes. So wet your brush first, taking yellow. Yes, Divyant, you can use that. Okay. Dilute the color nicely, everyone. Yes, flat brush you can take, Medini. See here, everyone, I'm just going around the sun. Okay. Use good amount of color. Like we have done yesterday, everyone, with oil pastels. Similarly, we are doing it here. See, everyone, I'm filling yellow. Come on, do it, everyone. Maximum part is with yellow. Come on, everyone started. Try to maintain that circular line. Okay, we want our yellow color to look fresh. I hope everyone is using either 6, 8 or 10 number brush. Don't use smaller number brush, okay? 5 number, 6 number, 4 number. Don't take that. Yes. Now see here, yellow part, this much. Don't allow it to dry. Ishwar, this is lemon yellow. Okay. Don't allow your line to get dried. Immediately you have to use orange color on that line. Okay. While you're working with yellow, immediately take some orange and just go on that line. And just use your brush on it. When you're blending two colors, everyone, don't apply pressure on your brush. Okay. Release the pressure and use it very lightly. Then only you will get the blending effect. Okay. See, I'm just using a wet brush in between yellow and orange and moving brush very smoothly. And I'm cleaning my brush in between so that if there is any excess color, it will be removed. Okay, just show me your work, everyone, what you are doing. Okay, okay, Ankita. Yes, show Athar. Okay, Ishwar, no problem. Okay, Athar, continue. Medini, correct. Okay, you're doing it nicely, everyone. Now I'm doing orange color part. If you have less space, no problem. Do the corners with red, okay? Some of you have very less space on top. Come on, Divyan. Akshara, Sara, Vaishnavi, come on. Bell was Come on, Ashmit. Come on, Diksha. Now everyone see here, I can see the partition line between yellow and orange. We don't want that. So you have to take slight yellow color in your brush and just go on that partition line 3 to 4 times in circular motion like this. We want a nice blending effect. Come on, everyone, blend it nicely. No partition line. Okay. Bring your orange color slightly on yellow. And after orange, you have to take red. Slightly overlap an orange. Come on, start with the red. Ishwar doing it. Atharv. Red color. Till corner, everyone, you can take red. Afterwards, we will add some dark red. After this, try to avoid strokey effect. Make it plain. Come on, Spruha, Tanvi, Divyan. Yes, Atharv. Okay, nice, Atharv. Atharv, slightly add dark color in the corner. Everyone see I'm adding a dark red color in the corner. If you have 24 color set, in that you get dark red, or it is just like a crimson, you can take that directly. See this color next to rose pink, take that, or else add some black in your red, just a dot of black, okay? And blend it with the red. Okay, Medini, just see that it doesn't get too dark, okay? We don't want brown color, okay? Just see that. With this dark red, it will add more depth to our work. Ashmit, after orange, it's a primary red color, and complete the entire part with red. And once red is done, you have to take slight dark red in the corner and give it a blend. Slightly add some dark red here also. Slightly blend with orange. Yes, Athar. Okay, blue plus red. Yes, it will work. It's nice. Yes, just do it till here, everyone. I'm waiting. Allow the part to get dry. Check every part is blended. Come on, Diksha, Divyan. Yes, perfect, Medini. Good. Yes, Vaishnavi, very nicely done. Good. Yes, Akanksha ma'am, it's nice. Just some strokes are visible. Make them smooth with very light pressure on your brush using just a wet brush. Nice, Anaya, great. After this, we'll be starting with the sun. Okay, same colors we are going to use. Just we'll be using more orange. Top part will be yellow, orange, and here I have used some scarlet color or a vermilion you can take. If you're having this set, dark orange we get, you can take that. Or else normal orange and red. You can go over the plain. Okay. Yes, I'm waiting for a minute, Akshara. Just activate the colors if they are getting dry. Okay. Come on, Tanvi. Done. Ankita. Come on, Ashmit. Just let me know once the color is dried so we can start. Yes, Sarah, correct. Same Medini, yellow, orange, red. Now, everyone, before we start, just take your wet brush and just move on all over the sun part. Okay, just wet the part slightly. You can go with the plain, no problem. Just use a wet brush. This will help us to blend colors nicely. This method works great on watercolor paper. Okay. Now see, before it gets dried, we need to work on it. Top part will be yellow. So take good amount of yellow color in your brush. And you will see that the color is flowing because our base is wet. Yes, Anaya, no problem. See everyone, top half with yellow. Use good amount of color, okay? Immediately you have to start with orange in the center. Okay, same three colors we are using. Okay, orange. Don't go outside the circle now. And the last part, vermilion color. Dark orange or red. Come on, keep doing everyone. Allow the colors to get mixed. Okay. Don't want partition line in between. Come on, Diksha, Vaishnavi. Come on, Medini. Come on, Divyan. When you take your dark color, everyone, just take that brush all around the border once. Like this. Okay. Whether it is a scarlet color, vermilion, or a red. Okay. Come on, Tanvi. Yes, very good, Tanvi. Tanvi, slightly blend orange and yellow. See, first we have applied water. Come on, everyone. Okay. Then take yellow color, lemon yellow from top. Ishar, it's a vermilion color, or you can take red. If you feel vermilion is not that dark, take scarlet or red. See, yellow part. Very nice, Vaishnavi. That is perfect. Now see the orange color. In the center, bring it down. Very nice, Medini. Okay, then take red. I have not blended it yet, okay? I'm just applying all color now. Red. Now see, for blending, very nice, Ashmit. Ashmit, bring the orange color a little bit up from the plane. Now see, I'm cleaning my brush, taking less yellow color and just go on the orange color part, clean it in between. Yes, okay, Atharva, take that red color and just go around the sun for border. See, I'm using yellow, blend it with orange. Similarly here, we don't want partition line, okay? That you have to see. I'm doing it on a Xerox paper, so it's not working. Watercolors, but you can understand the step. Got it, everyone? The blending part of the color. Now take some red. Just go on the border of the entire circle like this. Okay. Got it, everyone? Okay, Tanvi. Now, everyone, for the next part, slightly hold your book in a tilted manner, okay, like this. So you will be able to do the strokes properly. Okay. Now here, yellow, orange, red, and dark red. Okay, here you can use slight black. Now first, change the brush. If you have big size brush, take that. We have to fill the entire part with yellow. Okay. I'm taking flat brush. So we'll be able to cover larger area. Come on, Divyant. This is lemon yellow. Just fill it completely. This is just the base color. Use 10 number brush. Flat brush number 6 I'm using. Maintain the direction of your strokes. Sweeping lines. Akshara, take another yellow if you have. Chrome yellow color. Just try to fill the center part with yellow, okay? Come on, everyone, fill it. Sweeping strokes. Come on, Ashmit, Ishwar. Done, Spruha. Okay, Athar. Vivian, done. Now, everyone, you can take a round brush for the next part. Now, what we have to do, we have to take orange color and we have to apply strokes from left side and right side. When we are doing the left side strokes, our brush strokes will go from left to right like this. See, I'm using a diluted version of orange. Okay. See, left to right, some small, some big. Okay. No need to wait. Once yellow is done, immediately start. Okay. See, left to right, I'm going. We want our yellow color to be visible. Okay. So don't fill it completely. Just use the tip of your brush, left to right. Diluted orange. Yes, I'm using number 8 brush for orange. Slight pressure, release the pressure. Like that, you will get strokes. See? Slight pressure, release the pressure. Okay? Pressure, release, like that. Yes, and hold your brush straight, 90 degrees. Allow it to blend with yellow. Okay? Do the same on other side. Don't allow your yellow color to dry. Immediately start. Come on, Danvi. Some strokes are big, some are small. Okay. You can see the pointed tip here for the strokes. We want that kind of effect, okay? Come on, Divyan, Diksha. Yes, Sarah, that is perfect. You can move on to the next color, red. Okay, with red also, same type of strokes, but slightly small. Use your brush very lightly, getting it, Atharv, Sarah, Akshara. Okay, red color or a vermilion or scarlet. Right side, strokes will go right to left. Diluted color we are using. Yes, Ankita. 1 minute. Yes, that is correct. Ankita, you can use tissue paper for that dripping. Come on, Medini, Divyant. And at last, here to use dark red. If you have crimson color ready-made, you can take that, or else add some black in your red, dark strokes. Yes, correct, Athar. Add some dark lines. I'm just adding some black in my scarlet color. Because I've used it here. So I'm just making a darker version of it. Same strokes on few places. Just using the tip of my brush. Use the plastic part of your watercolor palette for mixing color. Okay, or a palette. But add dark color, okay? You can see the difference. It add more depth. Come on, everyone, keep doing. I'm waiting here. Complete and then show me. Come on, Vaishnavi, Tanvi. Yes, Medini. Yes, Atharv, slightly see the stroke. Try to make the end pointed for it. This one that you have added. Extend it more. Yes, Medini, you can start. Okay, now just the plane is remaining. Just do it till here. I'm waiting. Very good, Diksha. Well done. Yes, very nice, Akanksha ma'am. Perfect effect. Come on, everyone. Let me know if you are done. Now for the plane, you have to take smaller number brush, okay? Pointed tip brush and do it nicely. Complete black. So I'm activating black color here. Take smaller number brush. Yes, Maiden, it is completely black. You can tilt your book like this because the down part is wet. Yes, very nice, Sarah. Correct. Just check this part is dried or not and then start. If you want to do it with a marker, you can. I'm using a smaller number brush, 4 number or a 2 number you can take. We don't want our background color to be visible. Make perfect outline. No crooked lines. Come on, Tanvi, Ruham. Come on, everyone. Keep doing. Come on, Ashmit, Vedant, Divyant, Athal. Come on, Vaishnavi. Okay, like this it will look, everyone. Yes, Medini, just see this part. This part is missing. Pointed tip. Just add that with pencil and then paint. Yes, very good, Diksha. Maybe, Diksha, just do one extra thing. Just take black color in your brush and trace this line like this. Everyone, add some black color line here. Very light, okay? Diluted black color. So that they both will look separate, okay? Okay, everyone, complete it. Come on, show me your final work. Yes, all right, Diksha, great. Well done. Come on, Divyant. Yes, Akanksha ma'am, perfect. Come on, Tanvi. Everyone, do share your work, yesterday's and today's work, okay? Those who have missed yesterday's class, completed with the recording, okay? Yes, 1 minute, Divyant. Yes, it's nice. Divyant, it's perfectly done, but you need to use more color, okay? Your method is correct of doing, but slightly you need to use more color, okay? Yes, Vaishnavi, correct. Vaishnavi, add this dark line, okay? Yes, more dark. All right, Medini. Come on, Ashmit. Next week artworks I will update in the group, okay? 1 minute, Tanvi. Yes, Tanvi, slightly add red color or a dark color here on both sides. Okay, and the things are correct. Okay, those have shown me. You can leave, no problem. Okay. Anyone left? All right, Ashmit. Ashmit, it's nicely done, but see, for the orange color part behind the plane, slightly you need to use more color, okay? Other things are perfect. Now let it be like that only. Hello, Yashashvi. Nice to see you. Yes, Ankita, correct. You can do the plane, okay? And see, for the strokes here, you can slightly add dark red color strokes. It will add more depth, okay? Yes. Okay, everyone. Let's end the class here. See you next week. Divyan, the center of page. You can use scale or you can use your pencil. See, what you can do. You can take scale, place it here, check its measurement, how much it is, and you can take the half of that. Okay. Suppose it is a 20 centimeter here. So you will mark on 10. Okay. And this also you can check how much it is. So it is 30. So you can take 15. Okay. 15 and 10. You will get the exact center of your book. Okay. Or even you can take the corners, connect them. Then also you will get the exact center of your book. Okay. Yes, Tanvi, now it is perfect. Got it, Divyan? Yes. So you can use scale. It will be easy. For A4 size, it is almost 20 or 21 centimeter. Accordingly, you can take. Okay, everyone. So see you in the next class. Bye. Enjoy your Sunday. Take care.